What's up, tech fam? Remember Nokia, the legend, the titan, the company whose phones we all dropped a million times and they just kept going? Well, forget the past, because the sleeping giant is wide awake, and they are about to drop a bomb on the 5G world. This isn't a comeback, folks, it's a reckoning. The rumors are shaking the entire industry, and they all point to one device, the Nokia Turbo 5G. We're talking a camera that rivals your professional DSLR, and a battery that simply refuses to die. If you're hyped, smash that like button right now, because today, we are revealing the full, insane leaked specs, the price, and the launch window. Let's dive into this monster. Features of the Nokia Turbo 5G. Display. First up, the display. You need a gorgeous window to view all that power, right? The Turbo 5G delivers a massive 6.95-inch Full QHD Plus Super AMOLED panel. But here's where it gets absolutely serious. It's butter smooth with a blistering 144Hz refresh rate, and lightning quick with a 390Hz touch sampling rate. Gamers, this is your new main rig. The resolution, a stunning, crisp 1440 by 3200 pixels. Security, we've got the convenience of an in-display fingerprint sensor. Protection, we're covered with Gorilla Glass armor, and the ultimate peace of mind of an IP68 rating. Dust, water, whatever life throws at it, this phone can take a punch. The camera beast. Stop the clock. This is the star of the entire show. The reason this phone is causing a seismic shift, the camera. Nokia is not playing around. We're getting a primary lens that is absolutely bonkers, a mind-blowing 300 megapixel primary DSLR camera. Yes, you heard me, 300 megapixels. That is pure, professional-grade detail. This main shooter is backed up by a versatile setup, a 32 megapixel and a 5 megapixel secondary lens for ultra-wide and depth sensing. And for the selfie lords and ladies, a powerful 50 megapixel front camera. Raw power and performance. So, what's driving this monster? Under the hood, this is a pure flagship machine. We're talking about the performance champion, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 chipset. And for the operating system, it's future-proof, launching right out of the box with the very latest Android 16. You get peak performance and the newest features from day one. Battery and charging. Tired of battery anxiety? Do you carry a power bank everywhere? Say goodbye to all that. This phone packs a colossal, game-changing 9000 mAh lithium polymer battery. Seriously, you're looking at multiple days of use for most people. And when you do finally need to top up, it supports a mind-melting 120-watt fast charging, powered through the robust Type-C General 2 charging port. Price and launch date. So, the million-dollar question, how much is this powerhouse going to cost? The leaked price suggests we're looking at an expected tag of around $800. Honestly, for this kind of tech, that is seriously competitive. And the launch date, look, Nokia is keeping this one very, very quiet. There is no official confirmation yet, but with these leaks heating up, we expect an announcement any day now.